Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be using the e.l.f. JKissa palette, and the shades, they speak to me, honestly. I love them. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing around with this palette. So I already filled in my brows, so I'm just going to carve them out with some concealer, and I'm just using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I use the shade Light Sand. This concealer is a little bit light for me, especially right now over the summer. My skin gets like a little bit darker, but I like to use this on my eyes. So I know I haven't posted a video in a while, and I just feel like ever since I started posting videos, I've become a lot more critical of, or not critical, I don't know if critical is a word, a lot more judgmental of the things and the videos that I record, the makeup looks that I try. I just feel like I've become a lot harder on myself when it comes to making videos, and I feel like it kind of has like some to do with the fact that I actually have subscribers now. I mean, it's not a lot, but still, like, knowing that those people and like possibly more will see my video. And I talked a little bit about this in, by the way, I'm just using the Anastasia brow gel. I use the mini one because it's one that I got in like a subscription box, and I just ran out of my other one that I had, but I'm not trying to go out and buy things. But anyways, so yeah, I feel like I've become a lot more hard on myself when it comes to the content that I post or don't post. And yeah, I feel like it has a lot to do with the fact that I care too much what people think. I think I do, at least. And I'm really sensitive, so I think I was just getting nervous about people like judging me. I'm feeling green, so I'm gonna go in with Tank, which is this dark green, and I'm just going to pack it on the outer corner of my eye and then blend it in once it's packed. A few of my videos have gotten like thumbs down, and I've always been the type of person who, if I'm watching a YouTube video and there's something I don't like about it, I don't see the point in giving it a thumbs down. But I feel like it's probably because I always put myself in like this, like the content creator's shoes, and how I would feel if I had a thumbs down on my video. I don't know, maybe I'm thinking too much into it. I'm honestly just dramatic AF, so that could also be it. But I mean, it's fine. I honestly miss going out and being around friends and being free, really. So I'm just blending, because this is such a dark shade. It's gonna take quite a bit of blending to get it how I want it to be. I feel like that's the biggest thing with eyeshadow. It's blending is literally so important, especially when you're using darker shades. So I feel like I've kind of hit like a rut. I know that I just started posting videos, but I feel like I kind of just don't know like what to post, and I'm overdoing talk through videos. I mean not talk through, voiceover videos. I just feel like I need new ideas of like things to do. And so the only person that I've really been hanging out with during like quarantine is Madeline, and we hung out the other day and I tried to film to vlog, but we were drinking and whatnot, so the clips honestly just turned into a mess and they're kind of embarrassing. So that's why I didn't post that. I do want to start vlogging soon. Obviously it's hard right now because I mean I'm not really going anywhere. So, and I don't really do anything at home besides like homework and makeup. So I don't know, I feel like if I vlogged it would just be really boring. Like if I was actually doing stuff I would try to vlog, but I don't know. Next month, at the end of August, I'm supposed to be going to the river. So maybe I'll vlog then, but again, once I start drinking, it just turns into a mess, so who knows how that'll go, honestly. I highly recommend this palette. Would you guys even want to see vlogs, actually, now that I think about it? Because I mean, I don't know if that's like something that people would be interested in seeing, like my life, because I mean, I don't know, I like watching vlogs, but I also follow like YouTubers that have interesting lives, and at the moment mine is not too interesting, if I'm being quite honest with you. So let me know in the comments below if that's even something you would want to see. So if you guys are not working, like are not an essential worker, what are you guys like doing to keep busy during quarantine? Or are you still even in quarantine, like whatever state you're from or wherever you're from? Because I live in Southern California and we are still quarantined because people can't wear masks apparently. So the cases just keep going up. Yeah, who knows when things will go back to normal. So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of Peaky, I think that's what it says, on the outer part right here. Like I said, I honestly don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of hoping for the best. None of this, I didn't plan anything out for today's video. I'm just seeing where this takes me. I might hate it, but if you're watching this, that means I didn't hate it too much, because like I said, I've been very judgy over the videos I've filmed and not wanting to post anything. And I know that that's not, like, I need to get out of the habit of doing that, because I'm sure there's always going to be things about videos that I don't like, but hopefully you guys like them. I'm gonna try to take this shimmery color. Let's see. Oh yeah. Wow. This color is amazing. I'm not even, usually I use setting spray or my finger if I ever want it to be really pigmented, but wow, that is beautiful. I like almost want to take that middle green out and just use this. I think I am. Yeah, I'm doing it. So I'm gonna go back in with that dark green and just kind of blend out the edges. Wow, amazing. So I kind of feel like being a little bit extra, so I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal liner in Midnight Cowboy. I'm here for this. All right, now I'm just going to add some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift. These lashes are everything to me and more. I don't know if I'll ever use another pair of lashes. I'm going in with my favorite NARS Radiant Foundation. I love this foundation so much. I used to use the God, what is it? Makeup Forever, I think, the foundation stick that they have, and I honestly really liked that foundation, but I remember the last time I went to buy foundation, they were out of my shade. So, and I had literally no foundation left. So I asked the girl like a foundation that she recommends for drier skin, and she recommended this foundation to me, and she is an angel for that. Honestly, she really put me on. I just feel like it makes my skin like so glowy and like dewy, which I love. Or not my last video, but the last talk through video I did, which was like my affordable products slash get ready with me slash get to know me video, I talked vaguely about how my eyes, like under my eyes, had broken out, and it went away, and now I feel like they're kind of starting to break out again. So I don't know if it's like my eczema or what it could be, but I'm also like nervous to go to the doctor right now because of everything going on. So yeah, I don't know. If this has happened to any of you, please let me know what you did to make it go away. It's like dry patches under my eyes, and I don't know how to get rid of it. I don't know what I should do. It probably doesn't help that I've been doing my makeup almost every day, but I mean, yeah, I don't know what to do, because like I said, it had gone away, and then now it's kind of getting bad again. So if you guys have recommendations, for something that could help my skin not be like freaking crocodile skin, please let me know what I can do. I would appreciate that. Okay, honestly, for not planning out this look, I'm loving it, honestly. Like, I feel like when my looks aren't planned is when they come out the best. Because I feel like when I plan out my looks, I think about it too much and then I just end up looking like a mess. So, I know a lot of people use concealer, like darker shades of concealer as contour, but I don't know. I'm honestly horrible at like matching the right shades, so then I'm going in with blush. I'm using the Anastasia blush trio. I use the darkest shade, and this is in the Pink Passion. They have like other ones I want to get. There's one that I know she has and it's like an orangey blush and it's beautiful. I want to get that. But I also need to stop spending money on makeup. So my life is basically in shambles right now, but it's fine. Next, I'm just going in with the Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop highlighter, which is and has been my favorite highlighter forever. And I love a good nose highlight. Amazing. And then last but not least, I'm going in with this brown taupe lip liner from the Italia brand. I look very chola right now, but bear with me here. Then I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, which is my favorite. This is the finished look. I honestly love how this look came out. So don't forget to like the video if you like the video, and comment what other looks you want me to do, and also comment if you think I should start vlogging. Like, do you care about what I do in my life outside of makeup, or is it just me? Let me know. And subscribe also if you haven't already, because I would honestly really appreciate it. And thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I appreciate it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you hopefully sooner than later. Hopefully I stop overthinking everything that I record and actually start posting content. So if you see this video, this is the first step. I'm trying not to judge myself too much, so hopefully I'll see you guys soon.